Alamu. This very popular Oriki has always been the victim of very popular funny expressions, one of which is Alamu ṣènìyàn. If you are watching this video, it most likely means that your name or surname is Alamu and you don't know the meaning at all. It is specifically because of you that I have done this video. After watching this video, every confusion will be cleared, because Alamu is an Oriki whose meaning is actually easy to decipher, and I want you to connect with the benefaction, the prayer found in that singular Oriki. So let us proceed into it. Let us break it down. Alamu. The key words there are the words la and mu. What is the meaning of la? Just as I have explained in the Orikis Alabi, Alade, Alawo, and what have you, la is a word that is used to describe something that happens speedily. The act of breaking or splitting something is called la. So extensively, the word can also be used to mean to divide something, because things get divided by splitting them into 2 or 3 or 4, what have you. Now, if 2 people are involved in a race and the first person overtakes the second person, the Yoruba would say that first person has la the second person. So extensively, the word la can also mean to overtake, and by extension, to defeat. All of these meanings you would realize are connected with the original meaning of the word, which simply means to do something very quickly, to split, to break, to divide, to overtake, and what have you. Now, what is mu? Very simple. It means to take. Mu cannot really be used to mean to receive. That one would be ba. Mu simply means to take. What then is the meaning of Alamu? Who is this child whose Oriki has been called Alamu? Simple. The A in that name is a noun maker whose meaning can be said to be he who, or the child who. And Alamu is therefore that child whose destiny shall be to speedily throw down his opponents in a wrestling and then take. Take what? Take the glory. Take the prize. Ọmọ tí ó la àwọn ọ̀tá tí ó sì mú olú. This child is an ajagunmolu, the child who shall overthrow his enemies, who shall overtake his opponents, the one who shall emerge victorious, the one who shall win and thereafter take the prize. That is the meaning of Alamu. That is the meaning of your Oriki. Wàá Ṣere.